Red Lugtober.
So another quick video here. As you can see, this time I'm in the passenger seat. I'm being chauffeured around like Miss Daisy by J Squared. We're on our way to local auto parts store because he is driving around with 19 lugs. And you can't go fast when you've only got 19. So we're in search of the missing lug, so to speak. The lug hunt.
The hunt for Red Lugtober.
Yeah, I'm not going to repeat that because we've driven around because my car is getting detailed and ceramic coated, so I got to ride around in this POS. I mean, wait, that's not how you spell Porsche. It's POR. But we'll be back and hopefully we'll have that lug in hand. So we'll get back to you and show you how that goes. About to enter the lug zone. Yeah, the lug zone.
The hunt for a Red Lugtober is not so much red. I was able to find this. You see that?
I don't know if you can see the price on that at the bottom there for one lug bolt. It's $34 and some change for one. And shout out to FCP Euro for making the prices on their parts with lifetime warranty replacement. A lug bolt from them, genuine Porsche lug bolt, $9.08. Maybe a little tax, maybe a little shipping.
This is Palm Beach.
But this is Palm Beach County, Florida. Money, 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 money that I don't have. I did a little turnaround so you can see what this $34 paid for. All those beautiful
And it's not red.
cans there. It's not red, and I'm sure the $34 went also for the wonderful signage in Palm Beach County. I'm just going to show you all these cars because
look at look at the lime brake pads on this one.
I'm getting my $34 worth.
Oh yeah, we're doing a tour
of the visuals here.
Pay for this tour.
I'm in shock.
Oh, it's a GT3. That is hot.
I thought BMW was expensive when it stands for Bring My Wallet, but Porsche stands for some other acronym which means
Good morning, folks. So this is day 2 of the hunt for Red Lugtober, and Dom had literally a meltdown over my expensive lug bolt purchase. He couldn't handle it. He literally passed out. So I let him get some rest and have some coffee. And now he's awake, and we're gonna deal with the Porsche lug install. I did take time to clean her up. She was filthy. And we're gonna address the lug bolt installation now. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so after some research online, we found that the torque pounds needs to be 85 to 90. So Dom is now, there he is.
85, yeah, right. It'll come right off.
I have to do some research now. Let's see what's gonna happen.
We're gonna
118 foot-pounds. So much for that research. So it says 118
yeah, right.
foot-pounds of torque, not the 85 that we saw in the
I think I'm gonna torque this to like 348, which is about what you paid for the damn freaking lug bolt, $34.84.
So Dom, tell us about your meltdown. Let's go through that. It's
my meltdown.
It was like a black hole in
My
there.
meltdown occurred because I was extremely tired of all the running around in search of the Lugtober. It kind of escaped us throughout the whole day. We really couldn't just track it down. And we tried everything: sonar, radar. I tried Starbucks. It just didn't happen.
How did the AutoZone?
Yeah, that was a big fail. Like, we knew we were going to get it at AutoZone, right? A Porsche part. That was a joke, but we just went in there to humor ourselves, I think.
We got good tips though, like to spray paint the lug nuts.
No, the best tip was when the lady says, you know, watch your driving, drive careful, drive slow, and you say, yeah, I was doing about 90, and she just didn't flinch. She didn't get it right away. Like, I'm already doing 90 on the way up here, you know, and you're telling me drive slow.
It kind of went over her head.
Yeah. So we're gonna talk this bad boy to where it's supposed to be, and then some.
Yeah, so you already threaded it in to get it connected.
I set it at 118. I think we set it at 118.
Okay.
It should be tight already. I'm just gonna.
And that's an official torque wrench.
This is.
And we have to hear a little click.
Tecton. Shout out to Tecton. Good products. I like their products.
Oh, we should put their link down below.
Absolutely, you know. We could put the link to Amazon is where I picked it up, but it's a really good.
All right.
And there you go. Clickety click and you're done.
And we're all set now.
We checked all the other ones, and look, the wheels look a little clean, which is a good thing. To Miami, and all I can say is, dude, leave already. You know.
I think I've extended my stay. So this week we got the decal put back on, got the car washed, installed a lug nut that was not supposed to be off to begin with. It's all clean. And of course, if you want it to rain, just take out your convertible if you have one. Hopefully it'll clear up, which is looking mighty clean. It's ready to go. Well, I hope you liked this video. It was kind of fun and entertaining, but just to show everyone what it takes to get parts for these cars. They're obviously not cheap. Yeah, I could have gone online, and in my defense, I just didn't want to drive one lug down, even though I did have it checked with the lugs that were on there, and I was assured that all the lugs were good and I could make it back to Miami okay, but I just didn't want to take the chance, so I bit the bullet and spent $20 more than I could have if I did it online. And despite Dom's meltdown and the next day antics, we got it done, and I just feel secure, and for me that's worth it. But it shows these cars can handle or manage with parts off or not connected or faulty. They're pretty reliable and very strong cars. So I was happy to at least have tested that. But if you like the video, subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos more often. I haven't been in a couple weeks. Been working on other projects, but it's time to refocus and get some things done that I've been focusing on. So I have various things on my channel, from dog training to mods and some financial stuff. That's my day job. So subscribe, and see you next time. Bye everyone.